Chainsaw Man and just write off Denji, the main character, as just this pervert. And
everything you said was right. Denji is absolutely a pervert. But it's okay, because boys in high school are little perverts. That's just kind of what it is. Like most guys are still perverts. Like those guys that become creepy adults, they just haven't grown out of being perverts when they were in high school. But most guys, yeah, they go through a phase. But everything else you said was right. The emotional construct of the character is just a little boy who's just trying to survive and who wants to be loved. That's it. So you are correct. But you have to understand that most little boys are perverts. And it's okay. All right? It is A-okay.